Now, at first, 30% of the 40 commuters on a bus were women, while the rest were men. After a few women alighted at the bus stop, the percentage of women became 20%. How many women alighted the bus? Firstly, we must know that 30% is equivalent to 3 over 10 in its simplest form, in its fraction form. And 20% is 1 over 5 in fractions. Alright? And we know that for that statement that says 30% of the 40 commuters now became 3 over 10 of the commuters were women. That means to say, out of 10 units of the total commuters, total people on the bus, 3 units belong to women. So we draw the model in such. Total 40 commuters that take out 10 units, and 3 units belongs to women. Alright, so if 3 units were taken up by women and the rest were men, so men had 7 units over here. Alright, and we are told that after a few women alighted at the bus stops, then the percentage of the women became 20%, means only left 1/5 of the women. Okay, so in this case, we say that there are total 5 parts left. Alright, and 1 part belongs to women, and therefore 4 parts belong to men as such. So, comparing both the models, we know that this part belongs to the total number of women that alighted the bus. So, we got to find this. Now, looking at this part of the model, alright, in the units forms, alright, since we know that 10 units is equivalent to 40 commuters at first, therefore 1 unit will be equal to 4 persons. Alright, so then we have, when we multiply by 7 to get 7 units, we get 4 by 7, which is 28 people. Okay, so looking at the model again, 7 units of them are men. That means to say there were 28 men on the bus at first. Look here, put it down in the model. So apparently 7 units is equivalent to 4 parts. So 4 parts is equal to 28. Alright, if 4 parts is 28, therefore 1 part will be 7. Okay, now we look at the n parts of n model here. Alright, you notice that 3 units is equivalent to the total number of women left plus 1 part. Okay, so total number of women left is equal to 3 units minus a part. Okay, we can do this because we already know what is 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 4. So 3 units is equal to 12. And 1 part is equal to 7 as we have calculated. Alright, so the woman alighted is 3 times 4, which is 12, minus 1 part, which is 7. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 women alighted the bus. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.